Welcome to Review the Best by your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical 3D scanner, the perfect solution for indoor organization. There are many products available to choose from 3D scanner, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best 3D scanner from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Revopoint Metro X 3D Scanner for 3D Printing. Handheld 3D Printer Scanner Blue Laser Scan. The Revopoint Metro X 3D Scanner is a powerful tool for creating high-precision 3D models, perfect for 3D printing, reverse engineering, and industrial measurement. Equipped with industrial-grade blue laser scanning, it delivers an impressive accuracy of up to 0.03 millimeters, making it ideal for quality control and metrology-grade scanning. The scanner offers 4 effective scanning modes, including crosslines, parallel lines, full field, and auto turntable mode, which help capture detailed scans of any object, even dark or shiny surfaces, without the need for scanning spray. The included auto turntable provides seamless one-click scans for automated, high-precision point cloud capture. Additionally, with professional software like Revo Scan 5 and Revo Design, you can easily convert scan data into CAD-ready models in multiple formats. Whether for product design, inspection, or prototyping, the MetroX is the versatile tool you need for accurate 3D scanning. Number 2. Creality 3D Scanner CR Scan Ferret Pro for 3D printing upgrade handheld scanner with wireless scanning. The Creality 3D Scanner CR Scan Ferret Pro offers an affordable and powerful solution for 3D scanning, combining high precision with user-friendly features. Leveraging Wi-Fi 6 technology, it provides smooth, wireless scanning even for high-precision tasks, and is fully compatible with iOS devices, making it perfect for users on the go. With 24-bit full-color scanning and an anti-shake feature, you can capture detailed and accurate scans even with unsteady hands. This portable scanner, weighing only 105 grams, excels in various lighting conditions, including bright sunlight, and supports multiple output formats such as OBJ, STL, and PYL. Whether for personal or professional projects, the CR Scan Ferret Pro ensures versatility and convenience. The product comes with a comprehensive accessory kit, including a power bank tripod, phone holder, and more. Creality offers a 1-year warranty, and their customer support is available for any queries. Make 3D scanning accessible and efficient with the CR Scan Ferret Pro. Number 3. Revopoint MIRACO Plus 3D Scanner for 3D Printing. Handheld 3D printer scanner with photogrammetry. The Revopoint MIRACO Plus 3D scanner is a cost-diffusive, all-in-one handheld 3D scanner designed for high-precision 3D printing and photogrammetry. With its 0.02 m accuracy and ability to capture intricate details, it is perfect for various scanning needs, from tiny screws to large machinery. The advanced optical infrared zoom and 48-megapixel RGB camera ensure lifelike color and surface details, while the Class 1 infrared laser ensures safety during scans. Equipped with an 8-core processor, 32 GB RAM, and 256 GB storage, it delivers fast, efficient scanning supporting multiple file formats like PLY, OBJ, STL, and more for easy integration with other software. The portable design makes it easy to use one-handed, and the long battery life ensures up to 2 hours of continuous scanning. The MIRACO Plus comes with a professional photogrammetric kit, ideal for complex measurements, and a 2-year warranty with 24/7 customer support for added peace of mind. Number 4. Creality 3D Scanner CR Scan Raptor Pro for 3D printing, 22+7 blue laser, and near handheld scanner 0.02 mm accuracy. The Creality 3D Scanner Scan Raptor Pro is a cutting-edge handheld scanner designed for high-precision 3D printing with an impressive 0.02 m resolution and volumetric accuracy of 0.02 m plus 0.08 m per meter, it meets industrial measurement standards. Featuring 22 blue laser lines and 7 near-infrared structured light modes, the Raptor Pro excels at scanning both medium to large-scale objects with incredible precision. It effortlessly captures challenging materials like automotive glass and reflective metals while maintaining outstanding performance on dark surfaces. The scanner handles a wide range of objects, from 5M miniatures to massive 4M components, making it versatile for various applications. With a high-speed capture rate of 60 frames per second, it ensures rapid data acquisition. Additionally, it performs well outdoors under bright conditions and offers wireless scanning when paired with the CR-Scan Bridge ergonomic control handle. Ideal for professionals, the Raptor Pro ensures accuracy, speed, and reliability in any environment. Number 5. Shining 3D Einstart Handheld 3D Scanner with Detail-Oriented Enhancement Technology. Support scanning hair and body. Is the trying time again? The Shining 3D Einstart Handheld 3D Scanner offers high-quality 3D scanning with Detail-Oriented Enhancement Technology. It captures high-density point cloud data with up to 0.1 mm precision and built-in RGB color camera, ensuring true-to-life color fidelity. Equipped with intelligent algorithm software, this scanner automatically aligns scans and improves tracking performance for optimal results. The Einstart provides a smooth user experience with a scanning speed of up to 14 FPS and is safe for the eyes with no projector light during scanning. It includes a hair mode for detailed human body scanning, making it perfect for scanning hair and complex body contours. Designed for outdoor scanning, the scanner utilizes infrared projectors and stereo depth cameras to deliver clear results in various environments. Ideal for 3D printing, digital archiving, and VR or AR applications, the Einstart supports multiple data formats like OBJ, STL, PLY, and more, ensuring compatibility with 3D printers and design software. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.